Hey my friends, I have a really great sequence that we're going to do today that is going to address shoulder mobility, wrist strength, chest strength. This is going to be an alternative to our push-ups. And what else are we going to do? Well, that's a lot. Let's go with that, okay? Because I want this to be a short and sweet session. We're going to begin, however, the way we always do, by getting grounded. So gather up what you need, a couple of weights. I'm going to be using 8 pounds for my chest press and either 5 or 3 pounds for wrists. So you get some dumbbells and I'll meet you back and we'll start in a child's position. Okay. Hey, welcome back. Let's get started on hands and knees and then take us back into child's or puppy stretch for a nice stretch, opening, grounding moment. So extend your arms in front of you, reach, and take the hips back towards the heels and relax. I've got my forehead touching the floor. You may or may not find that comfortable. So just what's important here is finding your breath. So breathe into your chest and think of expanding your chest 350 degrees around. Is it 350 or 360? I can't remember, but all the way around. Excellent. And after a few moments here, go ahead and bring yourself back up. And we're ready. So back to hands and knees, all fours. Spinal mobility. Since our spine is connected to everything, we want to not neglect it ever. So begin with the lower back tailbone under, rounding under, and then lifting. So it's a spinal tuck and lift, trying to maintain stillness in the upper body and the head and the neck. So focus on the pelvic tilt. So tuck under and lift. Tuck under and lift. Pelvic tilts. Excellent. Good. And now pause, find stillness, and we'll get right into shoulder mobility. So with the arms staying straight, you'll drop your chest between your arms and notice that the shoulder blades are going to come together. You're going to feel them retracting and coming towards each other, keeping the arms straight. And then push away and your shoulders will expand across your back. So drop the chest and lift. So the arms are getting a little bit of a workout. So this is preparation for push-ups without having to take the full weight of your body, because you're going to just drop the chest and push away. Drop the chest and push away. Let's do one more. Drop the chest and push away. And then lift your feet up, then hips go back, drop the toes to the mat, extend the arms back in front, and there you have your extended child's or puppy stretch one more time. Breathe into it. Great. And now come back up. Either come to sitting on your heels, or if that's not comfortable, you can just come all the way up onto tall kneeling, knees and hips. Relax and roll your shoulders a few times here. Good. So I promised some wrist stuff here, which we need. If we're doing a push-up practice, which many of you watching this may be doing push-ups on alternate days, this video is designed to be done on the days you're not doing push-ups. And we know our wrists need attention. So let's extend one arm and take the other hand and pull back. Drop the shoulders when you do this. And then switch. Press through the heel of the hand and pull back. Shoulders are dropped. Everything else is relaxed. Your face muscles, your shoulder, neck. Good, and now shake that out. Very nice. Okay, our next shoulder mobility exercise is going to be done in a low lunge. So come back up to your tall kneeling. Again, if you want something underneath your knees, no problem. Let's step your right foot forward and keep your left knee at a right angle and find balance here. This can be challenging. So get a sense of engaging your inner thighs towards each other. Good, and shoulders are relaxed, but your body is straight. And now with the hand that's where the knee is forward on your hip, the other arm is going to be our shoulder rotator now. So bring this arm, the one with the leg that's behind us, straight out in front with the palm facing in. Good. And now all the way up till it's straight in line with your ear. And resist drawing the shoulders way up to the ears. Be nice and relaxed. Now turn that palm away so it's facing me. I'm now waving at you. I don't know if you can see my palm. And then keep going to as far as you feel comfortable. If you get stuck, you can stop. If you can keep going, bring your pinky to touch your hip. And then go backwards again. When you get straight up, you come forward. So we're going to do that 3 times. So inhale it up. Turn the palm away. Exhale behind you. You don't need to look at it. You're going to look straight forward. So it's just the shoulder is rotating. So inhale up. Turn the palm away. Keep going back. Again, you may not go as far as I do. You might stop. If you stop, that's fine. And then you can return. And when your arm is in line with the ear, your palm faces in and goes all the way down. Very nice. And let's bring both knees down, both hands to the floor, and to take pressure off the knees, let's do a little baby downward dog. So lift your hips up off the floor, knees are bent, and you could pedal it out. So this will be an easy way to stretch out the backs of your legs, your spine, and take pressure off the knees. Easy downward dog. And if you are a downward dog aficionado, you might go ahead and lift your tailbone up and straighten the legs and stretch and lengthen the arms and the spine away. Relax your neck. Good. Okay, that's a great stretch. So we enjoy a downward dog now and again. Okay, let's do the other side for our shoulder rotations. I'm just going to turn around so that you can see my shoulder going. So step the other foot forward. You're going to take this other arm, whatever is the other for you. We're going to lift the arm up on the inhale. Turn the palm away and keep going back behind you. Pinky will touch your body, if possible, your hip or your butt. If not, you don't have to go all the way. Listen to your body. And then forward. So this is a shoulder car, C-A-R. Controlled articular rotation for the shoulder. And there we go. Let's do one more. Inhale up and exhale down. Great. Let's bring both knees back, and then if a downward dog works for you, place both hands down. We'll lift up the hips. This is upper body workout, which is an important thing to do to prep for your push-ups. So press away, lengthening your spine. Knees can be nice and deeply bent. And then if you'd like, you can pedal out, hamstring and calf stretching. And if you'd like, you can pause and breathe, lengthening from crown to tailbone. Do find that breath. Perfect. And release. Come on down. Excellent. Now, let's go back to our wrists. So bring your hands, heel of your hands together and interlace the fingers. And then do figure 8 with the fists, right? Circle around, wrist mobility. Go the other way if you can. Nice. All right, shake it out. Shake it, shake it. Flick your fingers, shake your wrists. Be nice and loose and relaxed from your upper body. Okay, we're going to do some weight training here now. So we're going to go onto our backs with 2 relatively heavy weights. So it depends on if you have experience with this or not. You're probably able to use 5 pounds here, even if it's something that's relatively new to you, or 3 pounds. I think I can handle 8 today. So you're going to lie down on your back and then put your weight in each hand. The elbows are going to be out to the sides in line with your shoulders. And the idea is simply to push these weights up to the sky so they go right over your chest. And then maybe they'll actually touch over your chest and then come back down. So let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, so it's a push up on your back, right? Keep your wrists straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly release, and how carefully can you put your weights down? Good. Good. Shake it out. Let's do a little dying bug here to shake from your shoulders to your wrist to your fingers. Kick it out a little bit. Okay, so in between that set, we're going to do wrist exercise with weight. So I'm going to take my lightest weight, my 3-pounder, and we'll do one wrist at a time. So I'm going to do a wrist curl. I'm resting my forearm on my knee. You could do this sitting in a chair and putting it resting on the arm of a chair. So just curl up for 10, 8, 9. I'm so bad at counting. 8, 7. You're holding the weight lightly and rolling it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Going to put that away. I'm going to go back to the chest. Come back to your back. Carefully grab your weights. Position so they'll go right over your chest. Look straight up. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, push up and pull down slowly for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep your wrists straight and breathe. Inhale, exhale, 2, and push it up. Last one. How carefully can you release your weights to the earth? Good. And then while you're still on your back, you can shake it out. Shake out your wrists, move your fingers. Okay, we need to do the other side for the wrist strengthening exercise. So find your way up carefully. Grab your lighter weight for this. And then it's a curl. So you're going to hold it in your hand and then drop. So it's nice to rest your arm on something. I'm resting it on my knee. So drop and curl in. So notice that I'm able to do this with a straight spine. If you're all rounded like this, then you might want to switch to a different position for holding this. So drop down, and also I like to let the weight pull my hand down and then curl it up and down. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Great. Okay. That's the wrist strengthening exercise. Now shake that out again. Let's finish up the session sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position, arms out to the sides, crown lifted, bring both arms up, inhale, cross at the wrists, and then pull down and bring the elbows into the chest. So come up, cross at the wrists, and pull down, elbows into the chest, into the rib cage. And pull down and up. You feel the shoulder blades? Pull and up. Great. And last time. And then an easy, easy twist. Place your left hand on your right knee. Right hand lengthens. Gentle turn to your right. Relax shoulders. Good. Take the arm that's behind you. Bring it up and over. Cross. Now make a big X with your arms. And then while you're here, do a little round and a little lift. And I do mean little. So let the head drop and the spine can round a bit, but then just send the chest forward and look up. Good. And then lift up those arms and do the same exercise as we did before. Elbows come in towards the rib cage, cross overhead. Pull it in, cross overhead. One more time. And overhead. And then turn and twist the other way. Lift and lengthen, relax the shoulders, and it's an easy twist. Shoulders are relaxed. Breath is easy. Excellent. To release this, bring the arm that's behind you in front. Turn everything forward, cross, make that big X. Come on down. And one more time, a little round, little lift, and then release. Let's release the arms and bring hands to prayer. All right. Take a breath. Feel a sense of gratitude that your body just got a great workout. Namaste. Thanks for joining me. If you are new to my channel, I will welcome you and hope you enjoyed that video. I've got lots of other videos that are safe to do if you have low bone density, and you can find them if you subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a like. I appreciate your likes. And comment below. What did you think? And if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Facebook group, there's a place underneath here to join, and we can interact in real time. So thanks very much, and I wish you well. See you in the next video.